devout and holy, how beautiful life can be. It's exciting to see the fruits and vegetables you soil and planted grows into crops. I was in awe by the incredible diversity of life I could sustain in my own backyard. I long for a lifestyle of greater self-sufficiency, of agriculture and home preservation of food. It's natural and fresh from the earth, not shipped from halfway around the world or genetically modified. Moreover, most commercial produce is grown with the use of pesticides, which are both toxic and known to have significant health effects. I need a sense of belonging. It became a routine, waking up every morning and immediately checking to see if they needed watering or clipping. Gardening makes you patient and humble. It insists that you observe the seasons and weather, putting you in sync with the natural world. It permits you to get unapologetically dirty. I am happiest when I am up to my elbows in dirt, rearranging one of my gardens, pulling up rocks or even landscaping. Feeling the earth between my fingers feels so soft and welcoming. I created a new cozy bed for my previous plants. Watching the green sprouts grow taller in their new homes is a touching moment for me. As stalks grows, supporting the roots is vital. To grow plants is to give life. It keeps you busy with a purpose, shows you how to care, be gentle, and wait. It reminds you to be the one with the earth, to give back what you take.